Signs that he's not the one for you or he's very toxic for you. First of all, with this person, when you start all the things, they start off very fiery. You have just met and you feel all the fire. That fire is not something that you should be like, I'm feeling so much chemistry with this person, I'm feeling so good with this person. That fire is basically anxiety. Butterfly is not good for you. It's gonna literally ruin your mental health in longer run and give you a lot of health issues. Trust me on that. Second of all, this person always tries to break your boundary in some or the other way. आएंगे आपकी लाइफ में आपसे बोलेंगे आप ये कर दो वो कर दो. They are gonna dictate you everything and you're gonna feel like okay this person cares for me, but no baby, he doesn't cares for you. He is just basically trying to get some kind of control and power over you and to see what extent you're gonna go to be with him. They test you. They test on you ki how stupid can you be? How stupid is this girl that she's gonna break her boundaries for me? Trust me on that. Once you agree to something he says, that is literally not in your power. That is literally तुम्हारे वो हद में नहीं है. But still you're gonna do that. What happens? He's like, she's literally driven by me. प्यार में पागल हो गई, literally. Girl, you think what is happening with me yaar? Why am I losing my sense of self? Around you, all your friends say that this person is not good for you. Your family says this person is not good for you. But deep down, you also feel that something is wrong with this person, but you are not able to figure out it yet. That's why this video is gonna help you with that. Break your boundaries. Boundaries basically that you do not change something, you do not want to change onto something, your opinion, your actions, and they necessarily try to let you do that. For example, for me, boundary is not sleeping with them on the first date, not going out with them onto places that are close in nature. That is my boundary for me. But this guy is gonna take you to that place. If you agree, that means he broke your boundary. And now he knows that he can easily manipulate you. Third, he tries to isolate you from everybody. Like, seriously, this person will slowly and slowly try to isolate you very keenly, very subtle ways. This guy is gonna ask you to not talk to this person, this friend. First, he's going to target your best friend. And then to your family and all the people around you who are going to guide you and protect you from his, maladaptive behaviors. Because those people are the ones that actually care for you. So that now he has all the power over you. Now, brainwash you and you will not even know because there is nobody behind you telling you what to do. So, first, he will create drama with your friends, like she's not good for you, she's bitching about you, she's too toxic, she's jealous of you. फिर मुझसे सच में जलती है, is she literally jealous of me? Now तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आएगा? चीज़ें आने लगेंगी. अब तुम dots connect करोगी. Now you will somehow relate everything and you will think that your friend is toxic. This person that came into your life from literally nowhere. Now this person is telling you that your friend is toxic. Now you've started believing that. Some or the other day, he's gonna jump onto your parents. तुम्हें नहीं लगता तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हैं? लगता है कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स जलते हैं तुमसे, तुम्हें कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. देखो मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे बारे में अच्छा सोच रहा हूँ, बाकी इट्स योर चॉइस. Guy is gonna give you instances where he tries to literally curb your freedom because they're very charming at first, so you believe them. Whatever he's gonna say truth. He's very charming at first. When you meet them and they are like perfect. He's perfect. Tall, handsome, literally the smile, the looks, he has all the money that you want, everything. Now he's on top of that, he's even giving you the emotional support that you were craving. Wait a second. This emotional support is not going to last. As soon as you give in, this person is gonna flee. You're just a supply for him. You as a supply, emotional need, whatever. Once this person is gonna get all of that, he's gonna run. Trust me, baby, he is gonna run. So what you have to do, you have to run first. Into all his bullshit, what he's trying to do with you is to just wash your brain with Nirma. So what you have to do is उसका सारा charisma लेना है और उसको डस्टबिन में डाल देना because it's literally trash with all the things that he's telling you literally. And it's like he's the biggest liar of all. He's gonna lie to literally every fucking point. He will lie how he's so rich, he will lie how he's so good with people, how he's empathetic. He will portray all the good qualities or traits that you were looking in a person. So what he's gonna do, he's basically gonna mirror everything that you tell him, the way you behave, so you feel like that this person is what was missing in your life. ये इंसान आया अचानक से और मेरी वॉइड फिल कर दी. दिस पर्सन हैज़ मेड मी सो कंफर्टेबल. दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर यू. पत्थर फेंक देना है, पत्थर मार देना है इस बंदे को एकदम. आपको बिल्कुल भाव नहीं देना है. यू हैव टू जस्ट स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन. दे ऑलवेज कीप ऑन ट्राइंग टू कम बैक इन टू योर लाइफ इवन दो यू थ्रो देम आउट. But you don't have to look back. We don't look at the trash bag when we throw it, right? So, I just want you to be safe, happy, and sound. And I hope this video helped you. And please like, comment, and share this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That is Pranjali23. I literally post some cute reels there and some relatable content. And subscribe to my channel on YouTube.